Managing your reservations effectively is crucial, and Guesty's Reservations Report is here to help. Let's explore how to set up and customize your reports to suit your needs. To get started, navigate to the Reservations section in your Guesty dashboard. Here, you can view default reports or create custom ones tailored to your preferences. Customize your report by adding or removing filters and columns to display the most relevant information. Click the plus icon next to filters to add criteria such as listing city to get the exact information you need. Adjusting filters helps you focus on specific data, making your report more insightful. Columns determine which data points are shown for each reservation. Click columns at the top right to add or remove fields like listing city or type of property. You can also rearrange the order of columns by dragging them to your preferred position. If you have unique data points, you can add custom fields to your reservations. These fields can be included in your report to provide a comprehensive view of your reservations. The total payout column is a very important one. It displays the total amount to be paid by the guest, including all fees and taxes. If you'll add it to your report, together with the commission, total paid, and total taxes columns, you'll get a clear view of the revenue generated from each reservation. Once you finish configuring the filters and columns to your needs and you see your key data, you can save this view and use it again whenever you want. You can also press the star symbol next to the view's name and make it one of your favorite views for quick access. By creating different report views, saving them, and choosing favorites, you're actually creating an information toolbox that you can use in your day-to-day. Please note that you can also use the many default report views that Guesty created. After you've customized and viewed your report, you can also export it as a CSV file by clicking the download icon. The file will be sent to your email. You can also share reports with other users by clicking the share icon and selecting the recipients. Choose whether you'd like to send this report view once or repeat weekly on a certain day and time of the week. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.